Hello everyone, my full name is Hoang, and I am a student of Princeton University. This topic today is migrating animal, and I am going to talk about salmon. I will give you a question. Why do salmon migrate? Don't worry if you cannot answer the question. Please following me through all my representation and you can find the answer. Now first, I will give you some basic information about this animal. The size of the animal is between 20 inches to almost 5 feet. And how about the habitats? Salmon was born in the freshwater, such as river and stream. And when they mature and larger, they move to the ocean. In like ocean is which mean salt water. And when they need to in the reproductive times, they turn back to the fresh water. And how about lifespan of salmon? Maybe according to some surveys, the average is between 4 or 5 years. So how about the geographic range? People find salmon in the Pacific and Atlantic Ocean, and how and the distance traveled of salmon is hundreds of miles because they move from the river or the stream to the open sea to the ocean, and this is the long distance. Maybe it's more than hundreds of miles, maybe 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 miles of miles. And how about time of migration? And it's a it's from spring to fall, and especially with Atlantic salmons, and they move peaking in June. So why they migrate? I think uh, I think we can have some hint to answer the question I give you in the first my presentation. And the reason for migration from the freshwater to saltwater is find food, and in contrast to reproducting is a reproduct. So to migrate in order to breed somewhere feel safer than the main feeding areas and live in the open sea of the Atlantic Ocean, but return to freshwater where they born to lay their eggs. And I will review some other interesting point about the salmon. First, you can see on the screen the words anadromous. Salmon are considered anadromous, which means they live in both freshwater and saltwater. And I think this is a special point of this animal. The second, when in the way salmon return to the fresh water to lay the eggs. They can jumping about approximately 2 yards into the air. And the last, salmon is healthful, which this is rich essential vitamins and it can decrease the risk of coronary artery disease or curtain cancer. So until now, I think you can answer the question why salmon migrate? Why do salmon migrate? So after a second winter at seas, age from population are large and mature enough to spawn, and they migrate back to freshwater areas to product. And this is the points that make salmon become the interesting animals. And the last, thank you for listening. And I think I, you can get some knowledge, interesting knowledge about the salmon from my presentation. Thank you.